Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're wondering if Apple is not trying to pull the rug under Microsoft a little bit. They are going to release this fall the lowest price MacBook ever. It's supposed to be around $599. And it would be a 13-inch laptop MacBook. And it coincides with Windows 10 end of support. And we're starting to wonder, is that a strategy of Apple saying, let's introduce a low price, low cost MacBook and steal Windows users? And this is what we are kind of wondering. And we also kind of wonder how many people could be saying, hey, you know what, with Windows 11, I'm hearing all of these, stories and nightmares, and it seems that it's no good, and because there's a lot of negativity with Windows 11, could people have suddenly the urge to go from Windows to Mac using that strategy? That would be interesting to see, and we'll only know later this year or next year if that strategy seems to work. Will we see a market share of the MacBooks, of the Mac computers, increase suddenly? That's something to think about. It is a change. People thinking that you go to a Mac and it's easy. It's not the case, and I've seen a lot of that when I was a tech guy. People going to Mac thinking, oh, well, everybody tells me it's easier, and they're completely lost. Because when you're a Mac user, you're a Mac user. Because when you're a Windows user, you're a Windows user. Each are pretty much, used to their environment, but both of them are different. So this is going to be interesting. I think is that a vision? Is that a side that Apple actually did think about? Hey, let's put up with a cheaper MacBook and try to steal Windows users when Windows 10 ends support. I don't know if it's a strategy on the part of Apple, but if it is, yeah, why not? That's competition for you. So we'll see if that ever happens. Would you, and that's the question here, would you be tempted at a Mac, a low-priced Mac, to replace, say, your Windows 10 machine? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.